sometimes I question why I work so hard. What's the point of everything? And like, I'm just grinding, I'm tired, I'm like, I'm exhausted, I'm burnt out. Why do I keep going? Like, I make enough money to like relax. Like, why do I keep pushing forward? Why do I go through all this stress? And the answer is, I do it for myself, and I do it so I'm able to be like, you know, today's been a long day. I want to just get out the house and just like skate. Like, I don't want to do any more work. I don't want to force myself to finish at 5. I don't want to force myself to wake up at 6 a.m. every day. And that's why I do things. I do it for the ability to be able to just like exit, to be able to do whatever I want. That's the reward of building your own future. You're able to be like, okay, it's been a long day. I want to leave the house now. And that's why I work so hard. For the ability to live the best life possible. No way can I achieve the same amount of freedom if I were to work a 9 to 5. And remember that the reason why I do it is so I can have control of my life and do awesome shit like this, like skate on a beautiful day. And that's exactly why I work so fucking hard. That's it. That's the video. I'm gonna enjoy this skateboard right now. I might film 1 or 2 ads. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna take this in. Peace. Damn.